Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to fix camera angle problems while painting in Meccha Chameleon. So if your paint looks correct from one view but wrong from another, just follow along. First, remember that camera angle is important when creating a disguise. A color that looks perfect from the front may look different from the side. Next, rotate your camera while painting and check your character from multiple directions. Do not only focus on one angle. After that, use the eyedropper tool from the exact surface you want to copy. This helps prevent color mistakes caused by different lighting areas. Next, check areas like arms, elbows, and edges of your characters. You should also move character into the hiding spot before doing the final adjustments. And if the camera feels difficult to control, adjust your sensitivity settings. Take your time while painting because a few extra seconds can make your camouflage much stronger. So that was how to fix camera angle problems while painting in Meccha Chameleon. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.